Let's do this question. 12 years ago, the sum of the ages of a household of 8 people added up to 200. Alright. 4 years later, one member died at the age of 70. In the next year, a child was born. Another 4 years passed and one more member died at the age of 70 and a child was born on the same year. Alright. The current average age of the 8-member household is nearest to. Alright, pause the video, give it a try, and then let's do it together. Alright, we are back. I hope you have given it a try. Let's do it together. Now, it's given that 12 years ago, the sum of the ages was 200, right? And it's mentioned that there were 8 people in the household. Now, 4 years passed, and what happened? One person died at the age of 70, right? Now, this 200, if nobody had died, after 4 years, it would be 200 plus 8 into 4, right? And because one person died at the age of 70, we have to do minus 70. So that gives us the total at this point of time as 162, and there are 7 members in this household. Now it's mentioned in the question that one more year passes. So what's the total age at this point? That would be 162 plus 7, right? Because there are just 7 members at this time. So 7 into 1 is 7. So 162 plus 7 gives you 169 as the total, and the number of members is 8 because a child was born in this year. Now 4 more years pass, and what's the total at this point? It would be 169 plus 4 into 8, and then you need to subtract 70 from that because one person died. So the total is 131, but the number of members is still 8 because though one person died, it's also mentioned that in the same year a child was born, right? So the total is 131 and the number of members is 8. Now we moved back 12 years, right? So over here we have moved 4 plus 1 plus 4. That's a total of 9 years we have moved ahead. So we have to move 3 more years ahead to come to today. So when you add 3 more years, the total becomes 131 plus 8 into 3, right? So that's a total of 155, and there are 8 members. So the average is 155 divided by 8, which is approximately 19, and that is option B.